Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to discuss about amazing topic related to GoHighLevel Tag System, and I will show you how you can make a complete tag structures for your agency, or if you have a local business and if you are managing multiple sub accounts and multiple business. The tag system is the one of the best feature of GoHighLevel that you can utilize for your business. You can manage your leads, you can manage your workflow, manage your automations. In some cases we are not able to find the errors in our automations, or we are confused about how we can manage our automations. Our automation is not working properly. So I have a professional method, professional table of content. We are going to discuss about the tags, and I will show you structures like tags for your leads incomings, for lead sourcing, for call system, for SMS, for emails, and even we can manage tag system for your opportunities and pipeline stages as well. So without wasting time, let me dive in video and I will show you step by step how we can do this. So where we need to do the manage our tag system, I just simply go to the setting, and after the setting go to the tag system, and here we can create our all tags. But I 100% I know there is a messy tag system for all of our GoHighLevel accounts. So we need to do a professional tag system here. So for that, what we need to do, I have just make this complete tag system list. I can provide you in a description box below, so you can just copy from the tag system and you can utilize it wherever you want to use. So we have complete tag system for we can say for automations, for custom tags, for pipeline stages, for emails, for SMS, for calls, for booking flow as well. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the automation tag tables. For automations tag, so for example, you want to trigger automations when tag is added. So on a base of tag, you want to trigger any automations, so you can select tag something like this, tag added trigger start to the workflow. You can add tag something like this. That's look more professional than your we can say that we can add some dummy words here. Onboarding workflow initiates, so we can say that onboarding is start. That's another tag we can add. And our onboarding process finished, so we can say onboarding is complete, and client's payment is pending, we can say waiting for client's payment, and payments confirmed, we can say payment received. That's the tag we will use for our GoHighLevel management system leads. And same here, reminder for due invoices, we can say invoices due, reminder sent. And accounts paused due to a missed payment. As I said, it's if you are using GoHighLevel agency, you have sub accounts, so that's the best masterpiece video for your agency. We can say pause due to or non-payments. And reactivations, we can say that reactivation sequence started and triggered by quiz completed. If you have any quiz and you want to monitor this quiz on a base of tag, so you can say that quiz completed. Automation is manually or conditionally paused, we will say workflow is paused. Okay, this we also have tag system for custom. We can say that bot response, if you are chatbot and you have created chatbot in your GoHighLevel account and you want to say some leads coming and bot start replying and bot stop replying, what we can say that bot response sent. And if user interact with the chatbot, we will say that chatbot is engaged. We can add a tag and we will separate tag on basis of these tags, and we can say that we are using these tools, we can use these types of tags. Like we say quiz completed, quiz fully completed by user. And we have leads magnets, if someone click and book our ebook or whatever you have, so we will say that downloads leads magnet. It's up to you whatever you want to say. And someone join your WhatsApp communities, we will say either it's a WhatsApp, it's a GoHighLevel community. You can just change here, you can say join GoHighLevel community, whatever your GoHighLevel community name is, you can put your name. Free consultation booked, and if someone book your consultations, and we will say read leads shows buying intent, we will say ready to buy. And lead is not interested, we will say not interested. High interested in high ticket services, we will say high ticket entry interest. And same here, we can say that here. And if the pipeline stage is changed, what we are going to do, we will say stage new leads and stage. We can use this, I can provide you this complete detail and we can utilize it in our GoHighLevel. It's a super easy how to create tag first, then we can utilize it for our agency. So for example, I'm going to say automation tags. So first of all, I'm going to create this tag, so you can get idea how to create and manage tag. Simply go here, tag name, and we can say that it's create. So our tag is created now. That's for our information, but we're mainly going to use this one. That's just for, I just add for information purpose. Let me cancel it, and I can say that go here, and yeah, I just cancel it. go here and add it. Yeah, that's a tag added. Same here, we can go with go back again. It will take few seconds. I will start onboarding tag. Here is a complete tag system where you can add and manage all things. So I have added one tag here. I just go back and I will add other tags as well. So once we add tag, we will utilize in our automations, in our workflows, in our leads. So that's the most easy and professional way to manage your automations in a professional way, and you can utilize it and you can use it for your business purposes, and you can manage your agency in a more professional way instead of we are using dummy and we will random tags. So that's a professional way we can use tags. So that's how you can use it. And by the way, that's a complete list I can provide you in a video description, so you can simply go and download it, and after that you can utilize it wherever you want to use it. And by the end of this video, if you need any Go High Level services or you're looking for support for your agency, just simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation. We are providing Go High Level complete services, or whatever services you want. Just go here and book free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step. Another thing is that if you can go with my affiliate link and buy with my affiliate link, I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you complete Go High Level system, and even I can do with free of cost snapshots as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.